In this video, we'll discuss the 4 properties of a parallelogram. So let's start with the first one. It says both pairs of opposite sides are equal. So what we are saying is that the opposite sides, so AB to DC, are equal, and AD and line BC are equal. Notice we are not saying that all 4 sides are the same length. What we are rather saying is that the opposite sides are equal in length, and we indicate which sides are equal with 2 lines, so that shows that AB is equals to DC, and the 1 lines indicate that BC is equal to AD. So mathematically we can write it as AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to line BC. The second property says both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So AB would be parallel to DC and AD would be parallel to BC. And we indicate parallel lines with arrows. Notice that AB and DC each have 2 arrows showing that they are parallel, and AD and BC each have 1 arrow showing that those sets are parallel. So how we write it mathematically is we would say AB is parallel to CD, and we can say that the line AD is parallel to BC. Our third property is that both pairs of opposite angles are equal. So this is referring to interior angles, and they're saying that those sets are paired together. So angle A would be equal to angle C in size, and angle B would be equal to angle D in size. So how we indicate that is I'm going to do 2 curves for angle A and 2 curves for angle C, showing that those 2 are equal. And I'll do 1 curve for D and 1 curve for B to show that those are equal. So how we would write that mathematically is that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. And the last property is that diagonals bisect each other. A diagonal is a line that goes from one corner to the other corner. And what we are saying is that the line from A to C is cutting DB in half, and the line from B to D is cutting AC in half. So how we would write that mathematically is I'm going to make another point E where these lines intersect or meet, and I'll indicate it on the graph with lines. So I'll do 3 lines for AE and 3 lines for EC to show that AE is equals to EC. And I'll do a little V for DE and a V for BE to show that DE is equal to BE. How we show that in a math sentence is we'd say AE is equal to EC, and we would say BE is equal to DE. And those are the properties of a parallelogram.